If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me. 'Cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
So guys, we have left the coffee dams, the coffee farms, the dam. Before, that was the first thing we saw. We were not allowed to we're not allowed to take photos. So the dam, the waterfall, and the coffee farms. That was so nice. I actually enjoyed the waterfall more. So on to the trail. We're continuing this. I'm really enjoying this. This is courtesy of Let's Drift. You can follow them on IG to check out what they usually have. They do this monthly and they have trails each and every week and weekend. So peace out.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So guys, done with the, I know you can see me done with the walk, the trails. Yes, here you go, the two dams. So now just back on our way. We're on our way back now because we're done with the trails. I'll tell you how many kilometers we've done, how many steps I've done, because I've been counting my steps. I usually do that because on a daily I do 10,000 steps. So I'll tell you how much I've done today. But I've really enjoyed this. It was so much fun, so much relaxing. I love it. I really love it and I enjoy it.